Hey guys, I'm Sal. Thanks for checking out the video. The interior of this truck hasn't been cleaned in like 2 years, so it's getting a little bit gross in here. Could really use some love, and I'm not going to call it a full-on detail because that's really not what it's going to be, but I really consider it more of a thorough maintenance deep clean. So it's something I've been putting off for a little while now because who really likes cleaning interiors? But time is here, time to bite the bullet and just get it over with, so let's get into it. Okay, I wanted to take a quick second to kind of review these weather techs because I've had them in my truck for like 2 years and I haven't really talked about them on the channel very much. So overall, I really like them, but the fitment to the truck isn't the best. When I bought them, it was kind of like this, and I was hoping having them sit in the sun, loosen up, kind of spread out and fill in those gaps, but it never really happened, and I don't see it happening anytime soon because, like I said, I've had them for 2 years, so that's kind of the only thing. I kind of catch it with my foot going in and out every once in a while, but you can see the cutouts for, the center console area, and really the fit everywhere else is really good, and you saw they cleaned up really, really well with just a really quick rubber cleaner and a scrub with the brush. They look really, really good, and they do a good job of keeping my carpets clean, but the fit isn't the best. So I showed my wife Phoebe this clip, and she was like, "You can't put that on YouTube. Everyone's gonna think you're nasty." And I'm admitting the steering wheel's really, really gross and well overdue for a deep clean. And the worst part is I don't even know if all of this is from me. I feel like some of this was there when I bought the truck, and I didn't really clean it very well. So yeah, not the best, but hey, cleaning it now. What I'm actually using on it is just a foaming degreaser, and then just kind of rubbing it in, letting the degreaser do the work, and it actually works really, really well. So this center armrest is another key reason why I needed to do this deep clean of the interior. Those cup holders are so gross, and then It's especially nasty where I have my arm resting all the time on the fabric. I was a little worried it wasn't going to clean up very well because it's actually worn through on the fabric. I'll show you that in a second, but I just used this Tough Stuff fabric degreaser, scrubbed it in with the brush, and it actually pulled it out really well. The before and afters on the camera don't really show it super well, but in person, man, it made a huge difference, and I'm really happy with it. Last thing I wanted to focus on was cleaning up the windows and specifically removing the tint off those rear ones. I had taken off the driver's side before, and today I was going to do the passenger side. It's just purpley and old and starting to peel up in spots, so it needed to be done, and I didn't really like the look of it in the first place. So it helped that it was like 90 plus degrees out, so it just melted the glue for me, and it was peeled up pretty easy. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I've been putting this off for such a long time, but I had to really remind myself, you know, when you're driving the truck, you're spending all your time inside the cab, so it really only makes sense to dedicate some time and effort to cleaning it up, making it look nice, and making it a good place to be. So I definitely could have gone a lot more in depth, more thorough detail, but I'm happy with the results, and I think they show pretty well on camera. I will say that center armrest is definitely cleaner in person than it looks on camera. I think it's just catching the light on the wear spots and making it look dirty when it's not actually dirty. But hope you enjoyed it again. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and have a great rest of your day.